What is Picoworkers? Picoworkers is a micro-working platform where you can perform small online tasks for small payments. Picoworkers is a two-way platform. Once you set up an account, you can both perform small tasks for money, or pay people to do micro-tasks for you. Is Picoworkers a scam? Picoworkers isn't a scam. It's easy to find Picoworker payment proofs from people who have earned money from the platform. The company has an About page with full address details and even a phone number. Signing up. Signing up to Picoworkers is really easy. Click on the link in the description. Performing tasks. Once you've verified your email address and logged in, you'll see a wide range of tasks you can complete on Picoworkers. Getting paid by Picoworkers. You can request a cash out from Picoworkers once you have a balance of $5, plus enough to cover the processing fee. What is Picoworker?